Ever wonder how a store fixture goes from, hey, I have an idea, to a real-life display? At Triad, it all starts with the client, the pain point. Listen, ask questions, ideate, grab coffee, ideate more, sketch, scrap that sketch, try a new sketch, more coffee, a bold solution. Okay, maybe too bold, dial it back. Now bring in the engineers, the CAD pros, the materials experts, collaborate. Prototype again. That's better. On to production. Unlike other vendors, who only handle parts of the process,
We all know who they are.
Triad handles everything under one roof. Laser cut, weld, grind, powder coat, quality check. Time to pack it, label it, ship it, and it's out the door and ready for install. We do the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. From one frustration to a nationwide rollout. Designed, engineered, built, and delivered by Triad.